Hi, I'm Tammy Rosenthal, and I want to show you this great 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo at 232B Southwood Shores. Come on inside, let's take a look. This condo comes fully furnished and includes a 10 by 24 boat slip and 8,000-pound lift. This gated complex has an indoor pool, an outdoor pool, tennis court, a playground, a boat ramp, and boat trailer parking for that resort lifestyle all year long. This complex also allows nightly rentals, so you can take advantage of investment income. If you'd like to see more of this great condo, give us a call at the Fran Campbell team, 573-302-2390.